Hi everyone, this is Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today you can practice with me and we're going to start with some easy combinations that we're going to do to the right and left, beginning with a walk to a pirouette and dip spin. Then I'm going to release so I can go to the other side. So what you're seeing is footage of me practicing in the studio. I wanted to go to a different location just to change things up and just have a little practice session. So you're seeing what I do most of the time when I'm practicing on my own, and all I'm doing is walking through a pirouette, keeping that hand high and going right into a dip spin before I open up to change directions. So I like to pick simple, easy to follow combinations that I can do to the right and left, usually for a full song or at least half a song, and all I'm doing is concentrating on my form and my balance, trying to make both sides look the same and trying not to make too much noise with my heels. Okay, that's also important. Light on the feet. So I noticed during this practice that my left hand was just a little sticky, or my left arm was a little sticky through some of my pirouettes, and that I didn't feel as balanced. So now I'm going into dip pirouette, and I'm going to do that a couple of times. I did it 3 times in a row, so I'm just changing the order, and then I'm taking it into a body roll, chest, stomach, hips, scooping it all the way back before I go the other direction. So dip to a pirouette. I'm going to do it 2 more times. Dip, pirouette, and then I'm going to face the pole and go into my body rolls. So again, nice and simple, easy foundational moves that I'm going to do repeatedly right and left. Then I'm going into, I call these kitty litter kicks. It really helps people with the movement. Taking it as high as I can and then going to the other side. Making sure I have a nice body roll. And again, all I'm doing is warming up the body, getting that muscle memory going for my favorite foundational moves. And now I'm going to do a half pirouette and work on some back poses, changing my feet as I go and changing my arms. This one's one of my favorites, taking one arm behind the pole and doing a back bend as far as I can go. And then you guessed it, I'm going to change to the other side, half pirouette, starting with my feet together. Chest comes forward, then I change my feet, releasing that front arm. And then I'm going to step my feet wide, take the inside arm around the pole, and go down as far as I can. So making sure I do both sides to get an equal stretch. Next up, I'm going to do some daisy chains, leading with that hip, and glides. You'll see what I mean in just a second. The glides are when I'm just stepping side to side and I'm practicing brushing my feet along the floor. Then I'm going to go the other direction. Again, I just have some of my favorite sort of flowy songs playing in the background as I do this, and it's almost like a meditation for me because all I'm doing is working on my technique, my grace, and my balance. I'm not doing any crazy tricks. I'm just perfecting these movements. Then I'm going into hip dips, so I'm making big circles with the hips, going both directions, warming up those legs, And then my favorite move of all time, the bend and snap, taking it down and up, switching sides, down and up. All right, thank you for practicing with me. We're all done with our easy combinations, and I will see you in the next video for more.